Hello, welcome to how to solve this very nice algebra equation. 5 plus 1 over x whole to the power 4 minus 3 plus 1 over x whole to the power 4 is equal to 80. We need to find all possible values of x. So let's start. This 5 can be written as 4 plus 1, and this 3 can be written as 4 minus 1. So we write this 5 plus 1 over x whole to the power 4 as 4 plus 1 over x plus 1 whole to the power 4 minus, and we write this 3 plus 1 over x whole to the power 4 as 4 plus 1 over x minus 1 whole to the power 4 is equal to 80. Now here we have 4 plus 1 over x, and here we have 4 plus 1 over x. So we suppose that let 4 plus 1 over x is equal to m, and we substitute m in this equation, then this equation will become m plus 1 whole to the power 4 minus m minus 1 whole to the power 4 is equal to 80. Now this m plus 1 whole to the power 4 can be written as m plus 1 whole squared and whole to the power 2 minus this m minus 1 whole to the power 4 can be written as m minus 1 whole squared and whole to the power 2 is equal to 80. Now at left side we have difference of two squares. So by using this algebraic identity, a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. This expression will become m plus 1 whole squared plus m minus 1 whole squared times m plus 1 whole squared minus m minus 1 whole squared is equal to 80. Now this m plus 1 whole squared is equal to m squared plus 2 times m plus 1 plus this m minus 1 whole squared is equal to m squared minus 2 times m plus 1 times this m plus 1 whole squared is equal to m squared plus 2 times m plus 1 minus this m minus 1 whole squared is equal to m squared minus 2 times m plus 1. All this is equal to 80. Now we remove these inner brackets. M squared plus 2 times m plus 1 plus this m squared minus 2 times m plus 1 times this expression m squared plus 2 times m plus 1, and due to this minus, signs of these three terms will changes. This positive m squared will become negative m squared, and this negative 2m will become plus 2m, and this plus 1 will become negative 1 is equal to 80. Now this negative 2m will be cancelled out with this positive 2m, and here we are left with 1m squared plus this 1m squared 2m squared, and this one plus this one plus 2 times From this expression, this positive m squared will be cancelled out with this negative m squared. This plus 1 will be cancelled out with this negative 1. And this 2m plus this 2m will become 4 times m is equal to 80. Now we multiply this 2m squared plus 2 by this 4 times m. 4 times m times this 2m squared will become 8m cubed, plus this 4 times m times this 2 will become 8m is equal to 80. And from these two terms we can factor out 8. In bracket left, m cubed plus m is equal to 80. Now from here we divide both sides of this equation by 8. At right side we divide by 8. So this 8 will be cancelled out with this 8, and at left side we are left with m cubed plus m is equal to 80 divided by 8, 10. Next, m cubed plus m is equal to, this 10 can be written as 8 plus 2. Now we move this 8 and this 2 to the left side. M cubed, this plus 8 becomes negative 8 at left side, plus m, and this plus 2 becomes negative 2 left side is equal to 0. Next, m cubed minus this 8 can be written as 2 cubed plus m minus 2 is equal to 0. Now by using this algebraic identity, a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. This m cubed minus 2 cubed will become m minus 2 times m squared plus 2 times m plus 2 squared are 4. And from these two terms plus m minus 2 we can factor out plus 1. Plus 1 as a common factor, and in bracket left m minus 2 is equal to 0. Now this expression m minus 2, this expression m minus 2 is a common factor. So we factor out this m minus 2, and in bracket left, this m squared plus 2m plus 4, this plus 1. In bracket left, m squared plus 2m plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. Next, m minus 2 times m squared plus 2 times m, this 4 plus 1 will become plus 5 is equal to 0. Now from here either this expression m minus 2 is equal to 0, or this expression m squared plus 2 times m plus 5 is equal to 0. From this equation we get the value of m 2, and to find other two values of m we solve this quadratic equation. This is not factorable, so we solve it by quadratic formula. In this equation a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 5. According to quadratic formula, m will be equal to negative 2 plus or minus square root of, in place of b squared we write 2 squared, minus 4 times value of a 1 times value of c 5, divided by 2 times value of a 1, and m is equal to negative 2 plus or minus square root of, this 2 squared is 4, and negative 4 times 1 times 5 is negative 20. 4 minus negative 20, negative 16 divided by 2 times 1, 2. Next, m is equal to negative 2 plus or minus. This square root of negative 16 can be written as square root of 16 times square root of negative 1 divided by 2, and m is equal to negative 2 plus or minus square root of 16 is 4, and this square root of negative 1 square root of negative 1 is equal to I. So we replace this square root of negative 1 with I divided by 2, and this 2 1 time, 2 1 time, 2 2 times 4. So m will be equal to negative 1 plus or minus 2 times I, and from here m is equal to 2. M is equal to 2. Now recall that we have supposed that 4 plus 1 over x is equal to m. We have supposed that 4 plus 1 over x is equal to m. First, in this equation we put this value of m 2. Then this equation will become 4 plus 1 over x is equal to 2. Now we move this 4 to the right side. So 1 over x is equal to 2 minus 4. 1 over x is equal to negative 2. This implies that x is equal to negative 1 over 2. This is the first value of x. This is the first solution of this equation. Now in this equation we put this value of m negative 1 plus minus 2I. Then this equation will become 4 plus 1 over x is equal to negative 1 plus minus 2I. Now we move this 4 to the right side. So 1 over x is equal to negative 4 minus 1 plus minus 2I, and 1 over x is equal to negative 4 minus 1 will become negative 5 plus minus 2 times I, and this implies that x is equal to 1 over negative 5 plus minus 2I. This is the second and third value of x. So these are the three solutions of this equation.